There's what we call efficiency. Efficiency. How do you manage your revenues and costs? Okay? There are people who make a lot of money, but as they make a lot of money, again, they spend it so much. Okay? Somebody makes $1 million and they spend like 1.1. Okay? Somebody has a business and they have more costs. Or the costs that they have are just slight, they just give them a small margin. You make $1 million and what's the balance? 100,000. And so you have a challenge, you want to spend more than 100,000. What have you done? You've eaten up what you should have reinvested into it. So sometimes most of the businesses in Uganda are not efficiently run. The cost, managing the cost is really not easy for them. And two, even generating the revenue. Generating the revenue is sometimes hard. Not because the business is not working, but the person who is in that business may not know, how do I increase my revenues? They don't have maybe the mindset to know that without revenues, then something can work. Sometimes revenue generation can just be a problem of how you handle your customers. Somebody comes into your business, you treat them like they're not customers. And so what happens? Your revenue just keep. And so when your revenues go down, even your profits go down. And what happens? You can't pay the loan. Why? Because your attitude towards your customer can't make you generate the revenues. Sometimes it's the staff themselves. Your staff can't do it. Okay? So if somebody can run the business efficiently, you minimize your costs. Okay? Why pay somebody a lot of money when they're a little redundant? They can't generate money. You need to have everyone generating money. Okay? So to me, I think efficiency is why most business sometimes create bad loans. Okay? You make some money, but the way you spend it is really very bad.